Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back with a video. In this video, we will see what all messages from angels and divine and also from your ancestors that you need to hear today to help you move to next level of your healings and awakening. So this is pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. You can quickly take a deep breath and choose one pile for yourself. And let's move into the reading. So this is the reading for pile number 1. So let's see what all messages we have for you. First card is facade. Then there is wisdom card. Then we have recovery. Enter the magic. Pure intention. Open your heart. Creativity. Get grounded. Don't aim to fit in. And then we have an affirmation for you. So let's dive into the reading of pile number 1. So first message that I get here is get grounded. You are highly sensitive soul. You are an intuitive empath. You need to connect with nature. And you can also choose to do grounded meditation. You can also go a barefoot nature walk. And you can also sit on the grass for some time. It will help you heal your energies and release unwanted toxins or any kind of negativity or toxicity from within your being. It will let you uh, process that energy in deep into the earth, and you can spend some time in nature. It will give you a lot of healing. Also it will calm down your anxiety or any kind of turbulence that you feel within your stomach, or maybe from past lives you have brought some traumas within your being, because in the pile 1 I see there are old souls. So you have come here on mother earth from many lifetimes, and we are a soul family. We have been here together on mother earth many times. For many lifetimes we are together. That's why you are attracted to my channel. And you can use some aromas. Prefer using some aromas like rosemary essential oil or jasmine essential oil or lavender essential oil. It will boost your aura and also increase positivity within your aura, and people will get attracted to you. You will become a magnet. And you may be attracting a lot of wounded souls in your lifetime. You will be attracting a lot of wounded souls who have past life issues, or who have some karma baggages, or who are going through some kind of challenge in their life due to their hurt created at the heart center. So you need to be prepared for it. Some of you need to take care of your body. Go for a spiritual bath. Use a salt water bath. And also you need to take care of your hair. Go for some good scalp massages. Next card is creativity. You are very creative. You are creative beyond your imagination. You need to allow your creativity to flow through flow, flow through you, and you can create beautiful projects here on mother earth which will uplift the humanity, and also it will heal and will help people overcome different kind of challenges in their life. The next card is open your heart. You need to open your heart center. You can also do heart chakra meditation. It will help you release your unhealed traumas and wounds that you carry from past lives, and also due to your karma baggages. You have collected some kind of trauma, or there is some kind of toxicity. By toxicity I mean some negative energy at your heart center. You need to cleanse it. Also you can choose to feed to a cow or a buffalo or a horse of your choice. You can also do some charity for dogs. It will help you manifest a lot of growth and abundance in your life. Next message is dare to be vulnerable. You can choose to be vulnerable. Some of us are not allowed to feel our emotions right from the childhood, or we may be always into going, like we are here. We are sometimes we have so much stress of making money, of our responsibilities, of duties, of taking care of our parents, that we we tend to ignore ourselves. So you need to focus at your heart center. You need to process your emotions, and you need to be kind and empathetic towards your own self, as much as towards your own self as you want to be towards others. So as it is said, charity begins at home. So first start being empathetic and kind towards your own self. Next is don't dim to fit in. Yes, the pile number one, you are the star seeds. You are the earth angels. You are here to uplift humanity. You are awakening to your new soul purpose. And your mission is to enlighten humanity as much as possible. Some of you are psychics. I can see a lot of psychic mediums connecting at my channel. Uh, we are connect again, this message is coming again, we are connected here from past lifetimes. So you're going through kundalini awakening. Your kundalini energy is rising towards your crown chakra, and you are being enlightened. You are receiving some kind of guidance from divine. Next card is facade. So do not get into social media facade, or do not try to show it off. Some of us have habit of showing it off to this level that we just ignore our inner child. We don't respect our inner child. We try to prove it to others. We have this pattern of proving it to others. Now this pattern develops because right from childhood, like as a child, we all want love, we all want to be seen, we all want to be respected. But some of us are not given that value, that love, that respect till the time we, let's say, we get good grades or we prove ourselves to others, to the adults around us. So that's why we get into this trap of showing it off to others or proving it to others. So don't get into this facade. Next is wisdom. You are very much connected to Mother Nature and the energy of Mother Earth. You are uplifting humanity in a very positive way. Angels are blessing you for the same. Some of you are even making prayers to seek wisdom on your spiritual path, which is very good. Angels are supporting you for that, and you are being aligned to your higher consciousness. And you need to let go any kind of trauma related to your childhood. Some of you would be suffering due to maybe your due to your parents, you have suffered some mother wounds or some father wounds. You need to simply forgive them and bless them, because they did their job in the very best way. But as a child, maybe you didn't get that much love or that much attention as much as your soul needed, because in our society it's a very big pressure to just make money, like it's a necessity. So sometimes parents are so busy resolving their financial issues that they cannot give that much attention to their kid or that much love to their kid. Some of you have abandonment trauma, like you were left alone in the childhood, or you were rejected, you were not allowed to be yourself, due to which you have developed some kind of abandonment trauma within you. So place two hands on your heart and tell yourself, I'm lovable, I am worthy, I am enough, I am with myself. And it will take you to next level of healings. The next card is, we have pure intention. You have very pure intentions to do something substantial on this planet, to do something big, and universe is supporting, angels are supporting you with that. And you can see some eagle in your surroundings. It's a sign of Archangel Michael from heaven is trying to connect you, to give you some messages. So please listen to this, don't ignore the signs or intuitions or the nudges that your soul is giving you, is taking you to next level of awakening. Some of you could be in a spiritual journey here. Some of you could be a twin flame or a soulmate of a high vibration. You may be having a soulmate of high vibration, or if you're not having, then you will be attracting the one very soon. You can also manifest with water. Like some of you have gained a lot of weight, like me. So you need to manifest with the water. You need to release your, it is because there are so much stored emotions in your body that your body is not able to hold that emotions. So you need to release. You can just write it down on a piece of paper and then just stir it and then flush it away in the running water. It will help you cleanse a lot of stored emotions in your energy body, and you will feel very much lighter. You will find next brightness on your path. Next is enter the magic. Magic is happening in your life after 1111 portal. Many of you have made prayers, many of you have started believing in 1111 portal, and you have started praying to angels, to divine, or your ascended masters, which is very beautiful. You are able to manifest lot of positivity in your life. Some of you are having dog is a pet. That dog is your soulmate. That dog is here for some higher purpose. You have some mission with this dog. It could be a past life connection to your life. And some of you are becoming psychic medium and taking up your psychic profession, which is very great, because Mother Earth need more of healers. Mother Earth need more of divine channelers. Love and positivity is coming in your life. And the next card is recovery. If you have heard these messages still here, you are still here on this video, then you are recovering your deep childhood wound. I can see a deep rejection, abandonment wound. You have faced a lot of toxicity, in your life. So you need to release all those past memories, because till the time you don't release those past memories, I can see some of the memories coming from co-workers who did not behave well with you. Some of the memories of past lovers who just took away your money, or who did not behave right with you, or people who just cheated you, on whom you trusted so badly, you were having a blind faith. So one message is coming that do not go for blind faith. Just love people, support people unconditionally. That should be our mission. But do not trust blindly on the people, because people may take your advantage. And some of you need to just give away the pattern of people pleasing. You are into this behavior of continuously pleasing others, because till the time you don't please them, they don't give you that value or that respect. So you need to feel yourself complete from within. You need to tell yourself that I'm complete, I'm whole, I'm there with myself. Even if other people are accepting my things, it's okay. If they are not accepting, then also it's okay, because you are here for some very 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 big purpose. So you need to let go the habit of people pleasing, and you're shining like a magic. You are shining very bright, like there is some magic happening in your life, and you are really blessed. Okay, so this is the reading of the pile number 1. So I would love to give one healing affirmation at the last for you. So the healing affirmation that we have is, with every breath I take, I am getting healthier and healthier. Just you can see it. And on the other side, we also have one affirmation: my body is a mirror of inner thoughts and beliefs. I nourish it with good foods and healthy exercise. Okay, so pile number 1, these are your messages. I'm sending you so much love and light on your path. So now we will move to pile number 2. Hello, pile number 2. So let's see what messages we have for you. First one is trust the niggle. Then we have Anna, grandmother of Jesus. Then we have you are doing it. Then we have spiritual warrior. Then we have cosmic rainbow. Then we have soul healing. Then we have cosmic diamond. We have kindness, tolerance, prayer, and then there is one healing affirmations. Okay, so I would love to start with the first card, that is trust a niggle. Your soul is continuously telling you something. Your soul is giving you nudges to trust your path, but you are ignoring it completely. You're not listening to your angels. So this is a message for you, pile number 2. You need to turn inward and you need to listen those nudges carefully, so that you can move ahead on your path. You could be a social worker or you want to do some kind of social work. It could be funding for raising of the pets, I can sense, and for some of you for feeding for cows or buffaloes. It is a part of your soul purpose. So you need to just take up your callings. And I can sense a lot of storm was there in your past. You have a very completely wounded past. Your angels have also stood by your side. Some of you have seen days of starvation, literally. I can sense your energy and I can feel your pain. You have literally seen starvation in your life. Maybe during the pandemic or post-pandemic, you have been hit badly by the pandemic. And also you have some kind of trust issues. It comes from your ancestral lineage, means from your paternal side you have some trust issues. So you need to release your trust trauma. You have been wounded badly in the past, due to which you have a trauma. You have issue in trusting people. Don't go for blind trust, but at least you can trust some people, because it's not possible for anyone to live here in isolation, right? So the message is, what is the niggling feeling trying to tell you? You need to listen. So as I'm doing this reading, I'm feeling you are very much broken, you're lost in traumas, you're feeling very sad. So you need to give yourself a hug. Choose to give yourself a hug. You are becoming intuitive. Some of you could be a psychic. Next card is Grandmother of Jesus, seeding the light, laying foundation, divine plan. So everything is happening in your life according to a divine plan. You could be a soulmate to one of your friend. You are a soulmate to one of your friend, and that friend will help you build career and will help you fix your broken past, will help you find someone truly loving and caring in your life. Some of you need to make prayers to your Lord, whosoever you believe in. Take what resonates. It could be God, some of us, it could be angels, some of us, any god or goddesses you believe in. Here, this card is particularly about Jesus, but you need not be worried. Just connect with any god you feel loved, or you feel belonged, or you worship any god. You need to worship you need to visit some temple or mandir or gurudwara or mosque, whatever resonate with you. Take whatever resonate with you. You can also go to some hill station. You can go to some hill station to just rejuvenate, to some have some fresh air, and to just enjoy your time over there. Spend some time with your loved ones. You can take your pet if you have a dog, or some of you have a cat, I can sense, so you can take your dog or cat along with you. Some of you are very old soul, and we are connected to many lifetimes. Like I can sense you are from Egypt, and we have some connection through any of the lifetimes we were connected, and today again we are connected here. And you are receiving very much healing through my messages, and you are showing so much love, empathy, courage, and you're looking for a friendship. You're looking for some new friendship. A lot of people will be coming in your life who will help you find some good friends in themselves, because be careful, not everyone is going to be your friend, but There are some God sent people who will be your friends, that's for sure. God always give one or two friends in our life, because we don't choose our friends ourselves. It's given by God. God only send those people in our life. The next is, you are already doing it. Some of you are working on some of the projects. It could be network marketing, or some of you are in a sales position, some of you are MBA, some of you are chartered accountants, some of you are preparing for government job. So you are doing great. Stop overthinking, keep facing your true north. So you need to face your challenges with the very good attitude, and you need to let go unhealthy people from your life. You need to create good boundaries around yourself, because you need to protect your energy. It's very important to protect your energy. The next card is spiritual warrior. You are a spiritual warrior. Cheer for yourself. You are a wise leader. You are here to command, and so many people will be resonating with you. You just need to raise your voice. You need to stand up in your power. You can prefer healing your throat chakra with the blessings of Archangel Michael. It will give you a lot of courage, lot of confidence to move forward in your life. You can also wear white color clothes sometimes to feel more pure and to feel good from within. White color is coming very prominent for you. Next is cosmic rainbow. Some of you are manifesting a marriage. Your marriage is around the corner. You are collecting some money for yourself. You are making some wealth. You are collecting some wealth so that your marriage can easily happen. That's good. So best wishes from my side. And your angels are supporting you in this journey. If you see some rainbow, it is a sign that angels are walking with you, and you're leaving your past behind. Some of you have recently made this decision to walk away from a person who no longer cares for you. That's really great. And some of you can spend some time in nature. You can sit near some river, pond, or a swimming pool. It will help you heal your water element and purify your soul. The next is soul healing. Some of you are crying, you are releasing your trauma. You are going through spiritual awakening. You have a huge trauma within you due to your past life, due to your wounds. You're not able to sleep. You're having sleepless night. I can sense some of you are going through a severe depression, but you're trying to make efforts to come out of it, which is very good. And divine is holding your hand. Your angels, your guides, your spirit team is helping you and is aligning you to the more lively souls who will help you set your true colors and align with your essence. It's a mobile notification, so it's a yes. And you need to let go. You need to forgive some people in your life, and you need to move ahead. Next is prayer. You need to make some prayers, because at some point of time we all feel very weak or very low in our life, because life is such. Every day it comes with some new challenges, also it comes with new opportunities. So accordingly we need to just make prayers, make ourselves that strong, strategize ourselves to move forward in life, so that we can do amazing things in our life. Some of you are manifesting good bank balance, and some of you are soon moving to a new house. Some of you are having some lemonade, so you can have that. It's good for you. I can sense some of you are trying to burn the fat. That's great. That's amazing. It's helping you. This remedy is helping you. And some of you are going through soul growth. Some of you are writing blogs. Some of you are loving my blogs. That's great. So you can also leave comments below, so that I come to know who all love my messages and what messages resonate with you. The next is a cosmic diamond. You are a very high dimensional soul. You have a lot of positivity. You have many angels around you. Your angelic team is very strong, and don't feel hopeless. You're not here to lose hope. You're here to achieve something big, achieve something substantial in your life. You are here to spread hope and joy to the world and illuminate the world with your success, with your growth, and you will be able to achieve so much in your life that you have really dreamt of. And I can sense some love coming in your life. I can smell the fragrance of roses, though these are the artificial roses, but I can smell the scent of roses. So it's a sign some angel is around. But cosmic diamond, I want to say that you are manifesting purity in your life, so much love in your life, and some love is coming in your life. Next is kindness. You are a humanitarian made of love, and you are able to share that energy with others. You have so much love within, and you are able to share that energy with others, which is very good for Mother Earth. And all your dreams will come into reality, and all your projects will be successful. Very soon, you will have a big name for yourself. Next is tolerance. You appreciate others' points of view because you sense the love in everyone. आप एक अर्थ एंजल हो सकते हो, आप दूसरों में एक प्यार देखते हो, एक ह्यूमैनिटी देखते हो, आपके अंदर एक अच्छाई है, आपके भीतर एक बहुत ही गहरी छुपी हुई अच्छाई है, जिससे आप लोगों को उसी लेंस से देखते हो, विच इज़ वेरी रेयर. Let me tell you, which is very rare. And you are an earth angel. You are here to spread love, light, and positivity and manifest a lot of abundance in your life. First in your life, then help others to manifest abundance. So these are your messages, pile number 2. So now we have a healing affirmation for you. I trust the intelligence within me. There are no problems that do not have a solution. There are no questions without answers. Okay, so with these messages, I'm sending you so much love and light. So do comment in the comment section and let me know that how did you find my video and did you like it. So did the messages resonate? Let me know. Okay, so now we will move to pile number 3. Thank you, pile number 2. The first card is Cocoon of White Light, then is Sisterhood of the Rose, Faith, Respect, Be a Beacon, Affirmation, No, Divine Potential. Okay, so the first card that I would love to start is with Faith. You are having a very intuitive sense. You are very intuitive and you're connected to angels. You are raising the vibrations of Mother Earth through your messages of love and light. You could be a professional psychic tarot reader, or you are going through some deep kind of inner knowing that you are here to awaken humanity at a big level. You could be a big brand name in the limelight. Your spiritual team is telling me that you are here to spread positive energy of the cosmos in this universe. You are healing your ancestral bloodline and you are moving forward with new hope and new positivity. But there are some blocks in your career that have stopped you from your growth and achieving new opportunities in your life. Just keep working on yourself, on your inner work, and you will be finding a lot of healings within your being. Next is Sisterhood of the Rose. You could be having, maybe some of you are, I can sense 2 or 3 sisters here. You are blessed that way, and they could be high priestess, means highly intuitive, or they could be spiritual teacher, or they could be mystics. So, and they are very beautiful. That's great. So this is a reading coming of some particular group of people, and you are here to awaken humanity to a great level, and you are giving empowerment messages, and you are providing not only healing, you are also teaching people how to manifest lot of abundance in their life. That is very good. And you are afraid of coming yourself forward in the public. I don't know why, but you have some kind of social anxiety. So you're not going for public speaking kind of things, but you need to overcome this fear over a period of time, and you need to start taking sessions in the public. It will add a lot of growth in the life of people. Not only you will grow, because when you grow, along with you your soul family also grow. So that is a mission that you have chosen. You're not here only for your growth, you are also here to uplift humanity, to awaken humanity. You can choose to wear clear quartz or rose quartz with yourself to take yourself to next level of consciousness. I can already see you, some of you are working with crystals, that's really amazing. But if you want to take your game to the next level, then you can just choose to wear these, and also these crystals. And also you can protect your energies with the black tourmaline crystal. It will help you keep your energy protected. And also you can cleanse your space with sage or an incense stick. It will help you build a lot of positive energies within your being. And some of you could be a divine channeler or a psychic medium who is already taking readings to a great level. Thank you for coming on my channel. We are a soul family. Next is cocoon of white light. Some of you are in your cocoon, so you have just hit the spiritual awakening, or some of you are going to hit in the next few days, and you will awaken as a butterfly over some year, over 4 to 5 years. You will be in the cocoon phase, and you will realize what went wrong in your life, what were your childhood issues, what were your ancestral patterns. You are here to break the generational curses or generational patterns of your lineage, because it's divine who sends someone to just change the patterns or break the patterns after some years. So it's all divinely guided, but you are the chosen one. My pile number 3 is you are the chosen one. And you would maybe you like to wear vibrant color clothes. So you can choose to wear purple color, blue color, green, yellow, orange. It will activate all your chakras and also give you a lot of healing, emotional healing. I can sense you need a lot of emotional healing. So you can choose to wear these you can choose to wear these colors, vibrant colors. Rest in perfect love. Understand oneness. You are here to teach people about the oneness, and you are here to collect humanity at one place, like maybe through a blog, or maybe you have some system. You need to basically build a community and teach people about oneness of the planet. So that way, believe you can connect. So that way, the consciousness of Mother Earth will already be to next level. If we start believing we all have one vibration of this Mother Earth is one, so Mother Earth will vibrate it to such a great frequency. That is divine potential. You have a huge divine potential. You need to write some scripture. You need to write some book, some divine scripture you need to write. By scripture, I mean some religious text or book that will really help you heal emotionally and also spread a lot of positivity in your life. And also, it will heal your lineage. It's message coming from your ancestor. You should write that book. You should start thinking about it. You could be a twin flame. You have your another half here on the planet. It is believed that we all are twin flames. It's just a matter of fact we find our another half who is made for us. It's just a matter of time or divine timing. Fulfill your destiny. Be all you can be. So just write this down book and spread your messages through words, written words, or through blogs, and people will really love to connect it. People are going to love it, and you are going to heal people emotionally. You are here to give heart center healings to people. And also you have a very vibrant spiritual purpose. You could be a spiritual leader in the future, and you would be spreading your messages across the globe. And if you have any confusion, you are stuck between two careers, I can sense many of you are stuck between two careers. So the answer is no. Wait postpone, pause, and say no. Sometimes it's the divine. This is the divine intervention happening through this card. Divine wants to tell you that there are two phases and you are just stuck whether to take this option or this option. But you need to follow your heart. If you follow your heart is going to take you to a beautiful destination of your career, of path of love and light. So you should don't listen to your mind, listen to your heart, and it will take you to the next level of healings. I can see some of you are going to be impeccable speaker. In coming some years, you will be an impeccable speaker. So just move ahead, and you can spend some time in full moon with just having gazing the moonlight. It will help you build strengthen your psychic abilities, and also you will feel the divine feminine energy within yourself. You will feel very kind, very nurturing, very loving, very supportive in your life. And you need to leave some baggages of past. You just need to cleanse it away. You just need to release some baggages. You can speak to a person, or also you can get in touch with me. You can contact on my WhatsApp number. I will be happy to help you. Next is be a beacon, be an inspiration, light the way for others. You are here to empower people with the help of tarot cards, with the help of spoken words, with the messages of love and light, and your creativity. Your creativity is expanding day by day, because as you heal your, I can say some of you are just working on your sacral chakra. So it's going to just create a lot of positivity in your life, a lot of positivity I can sense, and humongous amount of success you will be able to manifest in your life. You just need to let go those people who were not good for you, or I can say some of you them betrayed you, some of them some did some injustice. You need to simply let them go. That is the way that you will move forward in your life, because you had some soul contracts. So that's why you had to face some kind of backstabbing, betrayal, cheating, or loss of money. So those kind of things, you need to just free those people from your life and move forward on the path of love and light. Next card is respect. You value everyone's unique perspective on the path to love. This message is coming for you, that you respect others' unique perspective. Everyone has a different perspective about love, right? If you will ask you, if you'll go back to your parents, they will have different perspective. If you will ask your siblings, they will have different perspective. If you will ask some uncle, auntie, they will have some different perspective. So you are the one who respect everyone perspective of love, and that's how it should be in the society. You should respect everyone's perspective of love, because you have no idea what anyone is going through. You have no idea what are their challenges, what are they born to do, what are they supposed to achieve in their life. So how can we impose our beliefs on others? So some of you have this pattern of believing on others blindly. So let go this pattern. Don't trust others blindly. Making trust is okay, but not blind trust, because you should have your point of view to stay. When you need to speak something or you need to say something, you should have that point. You should know how to take a stand, basically. That's what I mean to say. And you are, some of you are very patriotic. That's very good. You care a lot about country, or you have deep feelings, respect for the nation India. That's amazing. And some of you even wants to move abroad. Some of you wants to move to, I can see, western countries. So that's also amazing. I wish, may divine grant your wishes. So with these messages, these are for pile number 3. So let's see your affirmation. I am a beloved child of the universe and have been given everything I need for every experience I shall have. Next is, I was born to enjoy life. So this is affirmation for you. So I hope messages resonated with you. I hope you love them and you would love to see more readings. So welcome to my channel. I'm so grateful to have you on my channel. This is a growing family. So now I'll be making more videos with all your love and blessings and Almighty, and would love to serve you with all empowering messages, healing messages, and awakening messages. So I'm sending you so much love and light on your path. Keep shining. Thank you for watching.